For over 100 years, one place on Earth has terrified sailors, pilots, and travelers. A place where ships disappear without signalsa, planes vanish mid-air, and wreckage is never found. This place is called the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious zone in the Atlantic Ocean, filled with storms, legends, and unanswered questions. Today, we uncover the real story behind the Bermuda Triangle. Not myths, but true events, real science, and the secrets hidden beneath the ocean. Chapter 1A, where exactly is the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is not an official location on any map. It doesn't have borders or warning signs. But experts generally describe a triangle with 3 points: Miami, Florida, Bermuda Island, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. If you connect these points, you get a triangle covering over 500,000 square miles of ocean, an area deeper than Mount Everest. Inside this triangle, weather changes instantly, currents are extremely strong, and the ocean floor drops into dark, massive trenches. This is where the mystery begins. The earliest known mystery dates back to 1492, when Christopher Columbus sailed through the triangle. Columbus wrote in his diary, he saw a strange light rising from the ocean. His compass acted strangely. A glowing fireball fell from the sky. He had no explanation. Today, scientists believe he may have seen bioluminescent algae, a meteor, magnetic variation. But for Columbus and his crew, it felt supernatural. This was the first sign that the triangle was different. Throughout the 1800s and early 1900s, many ships disappeared mysteriously. In 1881, a ship called the Ellen Austin spotted an abandoned vessel. The crew sent a team to sail it to New York. Days later, the ship disappeared. When it was found again, the crew on board was gone. No signs of fight. No clues. Just silence. After rescuers placed a second crew on the ship, it vanished again permanently. To this day, no one knows what happened. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a giant Navy ship with 300 people, vanished in the triangle. There was no distress call, no bad weather, no wreckage ever found. It remains one of the biggest non-combat losses in U.S. Navy history. On December 5, 1945, 5 Navy planes called Flight 19 took off for a 3-hour training mission. Everything started normally. But halfway into the flight, the Leader's voice changed. "We flying in the wrong direction. Nothing is working right." Radio contact became weak. The plane circled aimlessly until fuel ran out. All 5 planes disappeared. In total, 6 planes, 27 men, no bodies, no debris. Even today, oceans have been scanned with modern technology. Nothing has been found. Many people don't realize that the Bermuda Triangle is naturally dangerous. Storms in this area can form in minutes. Clear skies can become violent thunderstorms. These storms hide ships and planes instantly. Waves in the triangle can reach 100 feet tall, higher than a 10-story building. A wave like this can flip a ship or smash an airplane against the water. 3. Deep ocean trenches. The triangle contains the Puerto Rico Trench, the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean, over 27,000 feet deep. Anything that sinks here may never be found. 4. Strong magnetic forces. Old compasses were confused in this area. Pilots could easily think they were flying straight while slowly turning off course. This caused many early accidents. Scientists discovered that methane gas can erupt from the ocean floor. When this gas rises, the water becomes less dense. Ships lose buoyancy. They sink instantly, like falling into a hole. If this happens fast, crews have no time to send a message. Chapter 6, A Modern Disappearances. Case: 2015 plane crash. A small aircraft vanished between the Bahamas and Florida. The pilot sent no distress call. weather was clear. The wreckage was never found. Case: 2017 family plane disappearance. A woman, her sons, and the pilot disappeared while flying from Puerto Rico to Florida. The plane simply vanished from radar. The ocean search found small debris, but the main wreckage never appeared. Chapter 7: A Supernatural Theories. 1. Aliens. 2. Time warps. 3. Atlantis. 4. Sea monsters. These ideas are fun and popular, but there is no scientific evidence for any of them. Still, they make the mystery bigger. Chapter 8a: The Scientific Explanation. So what do experts believe today? Most scientists agree. The Bermuda Triangle is dangerousa, but not supernatural. Here is why people think Ida is mysterious. 1. Heavy travel area. Thousands of ships and planes pass here daily. More traffic means more accidents. 2. Weather changes quickly. Storms can erase wreckage or hide it underwater. 3. Deep ocean. The trenches hide everything that sinks. 4. Human error. Between inexperienced pilots, confused compass readings, and old technology, mistakes were common. 5. Media exaggeration. Newspapers and TV made the stories bigger and scarier. According to the U.S. Coast Guard, there is no evidence that the Triangle is more dangerous than other parts of the ocean. If the Bermuda Triangle is not supernatural, why does the mystery continue? Because humans love the unknown. Mysteries make life interesting. Stories of vanishing ships and planes spark imagination. And the ocean always hides the truth. The Triangle is a place where science, nature, fear, history, imagination, all mix together. That is why the legend will never die. The Bermuda Triangle is not a doorway to another world. It is not controlled by aliens, and it is not cursed, but it is a powerful, unpredictable part of our planet. Nature is still in control, and the ocean keeps its secrets deep. This mystery reminds us that, even with all our technology, the Earth still has places we don't fully understand. That is the true